What's up, babe? So welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel if you're new here, and welcome back to another makeup video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this beautiful chocolate glam look. But first, if you're not already an Angel babe, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell, sis, so you'll be notified each time that I upload. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Hopefully you guys cannot hear the fan. I got that going because I'm already rushing, and I get hot sometimes when I'm getting ready. So basically, if you watch my vlogs, I am going out with basically some new girls. So watch me do my makeup, or let's do makeup together on this badass Friday. Let me find my mirror. I came to y'all with no brows, no nothing. I haven't even laid the edges yet, okay? Like, I still have to go back over the flat iron with my hair because I just got done taking a really hot shower. I do get a lot of questions about you guys asking me about my brows anyway, so I have not done anything yet, so why not? At least I already know what I'm wearing, and I've already taken my shower. So as soon as I finish filming this video, well, right before I do the intro and outro, I'm going to what am I gonna do? See, that's why I shouldn't even be talking. Oh, so after I do that, I'm gonna flat iron my hair, put on my clothes, and then I'm coming back on camera to end this situation right here. And then I have to do a little bit of vlogging before I actually go out the door. Let's get ready not to rumble, sis. Y'all know I play too much. Okay, let me go ahead and do my brows. One brow done, one brow to go. Eyebrows are sisters, not twins. This arch is always a lot higher. I don't know why, and I always kind of even it out. If you guys want like an updated brow, you know, shebang honey, comment that down below. I know you guys have been asking, so I'm pretty sure some of you guys are definitely gonna want to see it, okay? Because I'm not really talking a whole lot because I gotta get out of here. Alexa, set the alarm for 30 minutes. Y'all, I'm gonna try to see if I can get my makeup done in 30 minutes. Girl, Alexa, what time is it? I mean, girl, this should be like a challenge at this point because, oh, girl, I don't get ready that fast. I feel under pressure, y'all, and I don't like it at all. But it's my fault because I have been running around all day doing other stuff, running other errands, and I knew I should have been picking out what I was going to wear. I still actually don't even know how I feel about what I have out to wear, but we're gonna roll with it, okay? Because when you're a baddie, honey, it don't even matter what you wearing. Put me in a trash bag, okay? And you still gonna look good, okay? Oh my gosh, y'all, girl, I don't even think I'm gonna be wearing eyeshadow today. Like, I'm getting nervous because I don't even know what I can actually put on. How about let's go ahead and do the face first. Okay, so for my primer, I'm just using this Fenty Beauty mattifying primer. So this will kind of help me kill time to think about what I can actually do to my eyes. I know I'm not going to be doing really any eyeshadow. I maybe do some liner, like a black liner or something. So it is nighttime and it is super cold outside. So y'all, for my foundation, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Super Stay. This is like my favorite nighttime going out foundation. Let me not go too crazy because a little bit of this go a long way, honey. But I have been loving like a medium to full coverage makeup look. Back again with my deep polish brush, honey, because it's lit and it just gives what it's supposed to give, okay? Y'all look at that bump on my face. Oh my God, it's so ugly. I am flinging foundation everywhere. See, this is why I don't rush. This is exactly why. Moving on. For my concealer, I'm using this e.l.f. Camo Concealer. And I love this concealer for nighttime. I feel like this whole face are products that I love for nighttime. And I really feel like give me a flawless makeup application and do not give me flashback. We started at 6:02. That's what Alexa said. And it is 6:11. Then I'm just going to take a little bit of this Tarte Shape Tape concealer and I'm going to put just a little bit, literally that much, because y'all gonna see this go crazy in about a few seconds. It is bright, so just a tad bit, and I'm going to blend it out. Now this bump is just not giving. Like, maybe I should put a mold or something there. She's giving ginormous, okay? She's giving gigantic. So now I'm gonna use my Maybelline Fit Me powder to set underneath the eyes. Y'all, I just cannot believe lately I have been loving this foundation even over my Estee Lauder. Like, it gives coverage and it don't take that much, okay? So now I'm gonna go ahead and set my entire face, and I'm just using this Black Radiance Soft Focus powder in Milk Chocolate. And then for bronzer, I kind of feel like I'm starting to get my color back with all the sun that I've got and absorbed this summer. So for my bronzer, I'm just using, I'm using this Morphe Glamour Bronze bronzer in the shade Phenom 617, y'all. This literally should have been a challenge, like for real, for real. I should have put a little concealer on my forehead, but I'm just taking my sponge with that excess powder concealer concoction and just putting it on there. So I'm gonna snatch my nose using my L'Oreal Infallible. Oh, girl, what am I doing? This video is gonna be funny as hell. For my blush, I'm just using this MAC blush in Raisin. And I'm just sitting it right on top of that bronzer. Just sit it right on top, girl. My skin was doing good. I don't even know what the cap it. I think the face is pretty much done. And it is. And it is. I've been watching too much TikTok, y'all. Highlighter, I'm just taking this Laura Geller Molten Copper. And now we'll go for just a little 1-2. I'll mix it with a little bit of gilded honey. Just a tiny bit. So the face is pretty much done. I'm gonna go ahead and do my mold right here. For my eyes, I think I'm just gonna do something light and smoky. Light and smoky, nothing too crazy. So let's take, I want something I can pack with and blend with. Here we go, right here. Pack with and blend with. I'm just taking this super affordable. Girl, this need to be called an affordable makeup look. A nighttime affordable makeup look. Girl, because I'm using all drugstore. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and go in with this shade. I don't even know why I'm wasting my time because it may not even show up, but I love a good transition from light to dark, honey. So now I'm going in with this medium brown shade right here. Guys, don't be like me. Be very careful when you're doing eyeshadow and you already have your makeup on, because I'm literally throwing it on here. So then I'm just going in with this dark brown shade right here. I'm only taking a little bit, and like literally nothing is gonna be on my eyes, girl. Like this is just to give it something. Let me get my mirror. 624. Girl, I think we can do it. I'm literally almost finished. These are just my silk lashes you guys always see me use. Well, recently these are the ones that you guys have seen me abuse and use a whole lot. So I got the same lashes. These are just newer because those other ones have had their day, honey. Like, rest in peace. Lashes are pretty much up and they stuck. Okay, so they're on. So 30 minutes, I think is 6:32. So the only thing left we have to do is spray the face, do the waterline, and put on the lip. So let me go ahead and finish with the eyes. I finally ordered another one of the Maybelline liners, which is my favorite, and I like to just go on top of the band of silk lashes because sometimes silk lashes are really shiny. So I just like to kind of do a little liner. So now I'm just going to go back in. I think I'm just going to use this brush right here with the dark brown shadow that I used from this palette, which was this one right here. And I'm just going to put that in my lash line. Just to give my eyes a little bit more definition. I didn't want to use eyeliner. I wanted to just kind of keep it nice and smoked out. So now I'm just going in with some mascara. Let me go grab it because it's not over here. Girl, I have no clue where my liner is. I mean, where my other mascara is. So I'm literally just opening up a new one. I would have used the Maybelline. That's one of my favorites. But this is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And the alarm is going off. Alexa, stop. We're almost out of town. I mean, out of time. Girl, it's too much going on. It's bad. Hello? I love this nail polish color, you guys. I was actually kind of inspired by it. So I'm going to try to do something like that on my lips. Let's see how that goes. So So I think I'm going to be using this dark brown lip color. This is ColourPop's Limbo. Y'all, I don't even think ColourPop sells these anymore. I hope it's not old. But if it's old, it's going on my lips today. I think matte lips are perfect for me tonight because it is kind of windy outside, and I hate when my gloss, especially when I'm wearing hair, gets all over my freaking hair. My hair gets in my gloss. That's so pretty, but I do want something a little bit lighter in the inner part, I think. Okay, let me go put my clothes on, get myself together, and we're gonna be back. You guys, this is pretty much it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. I know I was all over the place. I'm rushing. I'm still rushing, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah.